Hi, welcome back. It's Jay here. Thanks for joining me for another video, and hope you lot had a good weekend, as mine was really busy. Just managed to get through today, which was Monday. So today we're going to be talking about the multiple wallet. The reason why I want to talk about this is this was one of my first wallets that I actually got, and it happened to be one of the nicest wallets that I had. As you see, it's still in somewhat good condition. So I mean, with this one, I got this gifted to me, and it cost around £390. This is, believe it or not, the third one I had to get, because I had to give in the first two because there was so much wrong with them after about a good 3 months. So this one costs £390, and it comes in the monogram here. I'll just give it a close, and it's got the monogram canvas here, and then it's got the leather here that runs all the way around to that side. And then inside here it's got the monogram here, and it's got a card holder here, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, so 6 card holders. And it's also got the little inside here, little slot inside, and also slots here as well, and then one for your cash as well, which mine has a Paris metro ticket. As you can see, I still have my textile card in here. Let's put that to one side. So the first one I got with this one, it was really nice actually. The condition was really good, but then what had happened is that when I'd start putting it in my pocket and I filled it up, it just seemed to start cracking on the corners here. So I did take it back to LV, and the lady, the SA, told me that I had been using it too much, and I was like, to be fair, I paid quite a lot of money for, someone who bought it from me paid quite a lot of money for this, and I just thought it was a luxury product and of high quality. I shouldn't have that problem. So she said this time we're able to give you a replacement. So went ahead, got replacement, and then believe it or not, the second one that I had the same issue. I didn't want to choose another wallet only because I really like this wallet. As you can see, it's perfect size. It's a perfect size. So when I did get the second one, the same thing happened. I took it back. Unfortunately, they said to me, well, LV's policy is if a product is if we're replacing the product 3 times, then we feel like that this product is not for you, so you would have to pick another one. So I got a refund back, and then I just made a new account under my name and then decided to just get it again. Well, I had this one for a good year now, and I'm actually moved on to the smart wallet, as you can see. So this wallet served me really well, so I have no problems with this. But as you can see here, I mean, the quality LV is just getting ridiculously stupid. I'm not sure if you can see the right here. That's just the telephone ringing, don't mind that. And it's cracking all here, and LV's policy is that they can't really repair cracked canvas. It's unrepairable, and because I've had this for quite a long time, I don't believe they're going to do anything for it. So it's kind of now just sitting on the shelf as a good piece. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the first one I got was really good, but this one just felt a lot more flimsy. So I did question that to the SA. I was like, well, this one just seems like the quality is just getting really, the canvas is getting really thinner. They assured me that, you know, their canvas is still, you know, of the same quality as before. I mean, even my glazing, it is coming off as well. I don't know if you can see it. So it does need a good repair if I was to resell this pre-loved. So I have all of the stuff with it as well. It's got made in France as well, this one. I think all my products so far, they've been made in France, apart from one, I believe is made in Spain. I have, but this wallet is very nice. I mean, it's, when you do take it out of your wallet, when you do take it out of your pocket, you get a lot of looks actually, and people are like, oh wow, it's the LV wallet, it's so lovely. I haven't seen that one before, because a lot of people just go for the, I think, neon gram one, the damier one. But yeah, when I saw this one literally, I mean, this is why I fell in love with LV. So yeah, but have a side comparison. This is the smart wallet. I got the smart wallet, I did, because I felt that it's not a canvas and it's not going to crack and it's going to be more durable in the long term. And this one is roughly, I think, it's roughly around the same size, and it does quite a lot actually, and it has actually 7 card holders. Room for actually has space for another card holder here as well, which is quite well, and then you put your cash in there and your change, and it also has, yeah, it's just really durable, and I just feel like this one is proven to be a bit more tougher. So yeah, I mean, tell me your thoughts on the canvas. Do you feel like the canvas is still the same quality, or do you reckon that they are skimping on it? Because a lot of people now, especially these YouTube bloggers, I think they're noticing as well that the quality is not there as it used to be. So please let me know, and remember to subscribe, like and comment down below on anything you want to see, or, you know, start a discussion down below. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.